Curious to find the best headphone under 1000? Then this video is for you. Trying to find the best headphones under 1000 might seem a little under budget, but if manufacturers are pushing out great sounding headphones in this price range, why not give it a try? I have searched for the best headphones under 1000 and it comprises both the wireless and wired categories of headphones. As always, you will find the links of all the products in the description down below, and we keep updating the links for the best prices available. So with that being said, the first one in our list is Sony MDR ZX110AP. Sony MDR still remains a popular choice in the budget category of the best headphone under 1000. Their undiminishing audio quality, foldable and compact design make it the top choice in our list for the best headphone under 1000. Sony MDR is all plastic, but that doesn't mean it is flimsy in construction. It uses metal bands for the twisting contraption, which by the way is an ingenious idea to make the headphone easily carryable. The headphones have a less protruding cushioning that doesn't pierce your ears. The connecting wire has a microphone and uses a 3.5 mm jack to connect to any device. Sony MDR has an impeccable sound output for this price range. I found the bass to be slightly suppressed while the treble was pronounced. It strives to present a mixed audio output and manages to do so despite the tiny 30 mm drivers. As for the microphone, it is okay but lacks any kind of noise cancelling, make it the meddlesome during calls. The inline remote does not have any kind of volume adjustment wheel, compelling me to adjust the voice on my phone and PC. Sony MDR is an epitome of sheer brand effort to make one of the best headphones under 1000. I like the ergonomics, adjustable ear cups and the 3.5 mm jack. The cable connecting to the ear cups does not have any snatch protection like the endpoint of the 3.5 mm jack, making it susceptible to damage. So the next one in our list is Skullcandy S5 LHZ J576. Skullcandy make the cheapest wired headphone they could and they still sound good for the price. These are undoubtedly one of the best headphones under 1000 rupees and only rank second on our list because of the pathetic design. Skullcandy looks sleek and simple. They aren't too flashy and adopt a single color scheme. My unit is a black one and it is a blend of the matte and glossy finish. Aesthetics wise, there is nothing much as they are composed out of plastic. They have a unique rubberized ear muff rather than the conventional puffy ones. The headphone lacks a microphone or a control module to adjust voice levels. As much as I want to complain about the build quality, the audio quality is on par with the Sony MDR. Like the Sony MDR, this one too has a feeble bass but good overall sound output. The highs and lows are well managed and you will love them while watching movies, gaming or content creation. The only visible problem is that it lacks a microphone, which is crucial to make calls, play games, attend conferences, all of which is obstructed by this headphone. Not including a microphone is a travesty if you are trying to become one of the best headphone under 1000 rupees. The headphone has a fairly large 40 mm driver but misses out on a microphone. So next up we have Boat Bassheads 900, an economical option with a good blend of audio output with soft earmuffs. These features make it the third headphone to feature in our list of the best headphone. The headphone derived their aesthetics from the Sony MDR with minor improvements here and there. The foldable ear cups are present, so carrying them or storing them in your backpack is not cumbersome. Exceptionally lightweight at 150 grams, I found the ear cushions to be fluffy and soft, but they could not completely cover my ear, making it easy to hear external noises. There is a microphone attached to wire, while the cable quality is nothing exemplary to speak of. So, as the name implies, the headphones try to deliver a good bass output for the price. The 40 mm drivers are loud, but the bass is not that punchy as the name. I would not call it disappointment because you are getting a good overall package for half of the budget. One thing that you do get compared to the Skullcandy headphone is a noise cancellation microphone with the support for invoking the voice assistant. Boat Bassheads 900 are a value for money option with all the good bit that you need in the best headphone under 1000, although I wish they would have worked on the durability of the cable and increasing the cushion area. So next up we have Bolt Audio Bass Buds Q2. Bolt Audio Bass Buds is somewhat equivalent in comparison to the Boat headphones but is slightly costly. They rank 4th on our list for best headphone due to the added comfort and the IPX5 water resistant rating. The headphones are slightly larger than the Boat headphones mentioned above, which make them more comfortable to wear for longer durations. The headphones are all plastic but use a steel band that is easy to adjust. The ear cups fold in 3 directions and also easily adjust according to your ear positioning. It has a long 1.5 meter Kevlar cable that comes with microphone with noise cancellation. The aural output is mesmerizing for such an economical pair of headphones. They try to produce heavy bass but fail miserably at it. If you want a casual headphone that does not break the bank, go for this one. Be it watching content or streaming music on Spotify, it produces clear vocals. The microphone is average but has noise cancellation, which is good for video conferences. I would not recommend these for gaming as the microphone is positioned far from the mouth. Buy the Bolt Audio Bass Buds Q2 if you cannot get the Boat ones or want a little more freedom around your ears. The cushion comfort will surprise you at this price point despite the obvious lack of bass. So the last one in our list is Bolt Audio Pro Bass Flex. Bolt Audio Pro Bass Flex is a wireless affair but still makes our list for the best budget headphones under 1000 rupees because of their diminished pricing and the option to use it as a wired headset via 3.5mm jack. Certainly a stylish pair with a dual color scheme and wireless fidelity. The headphones employ a rigid steel contraption to make precise head adjustments. It comes with a 3.5mm jack for wired headphone usage if you exhaust the battery. All the controls are present on the ear cups that feature a thick cushion to minimize outside noise. The headphones are a tier above the most headphones mentioned in our list for the best headphones under 1000 rupees. Its cushion blocks outside noise so you can enjoy most music genres without any disturbances. The driver size is capped at 40mm but they sound louder due to raised earmuffs. The audio calling is not too shabby for the price and you can use them for video conferencing or infrequent voice calling. So as a wireless option, a flawless recommendation for budget, but the short connection cable makes it troublesome to use. Also, the audio distortion is meddlesome if you crank the volume beyond 80%. So guys, these were some of the best headphones under 1000 rupees which you should try, and which one you are going to buy, please do let us know in the comments down below. And for more videos on the gadgets, please do consider subscribing, liking and sharing our channel. Thank you so much.